Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to download music in Lark Player. Lark Player is mainly a music player, so it usually plays song already saved on your phone or device. According to the Lark Player's help page, you first need to download music to your device. Then the Lark Player detects and play it offline. Now, to use Lark Player, you have to open your Lark Player. Before that, you have to go to any website, or Lego source, music source, download song, or you can transfer from your mp3 files from your computer. Reopen the Lark Player, tap on the audio or music option. You can see my song option here, and you can see the different song I have here already. Now you tap on the music and then start playing it. The app will automatically scan and show the song anytime you download it from any source, music source. Just tap on the song and it will show offline. You can see my data is already off, but I'm already playing a song on my Lark Player. So guys, that is it on how to download music in Lark Player. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.